Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 168 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. All right, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Go back and watch those previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started and where we're at right now. All right. So we made it to day number 168. Let's go ahead and hop right to it. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, now what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. So the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, why I love them so much, is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can literally come in here, sign up for another account, use your own affiliate link to sign up under yourself, and you will be able to create multiple accounts. Okay. Just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it is real. It does work. It does convert. Okay. Now, this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have no idea who you are. They have no idea what you're promoting. It's your job is to come in every single day and give them value. Okay, you want to create a good email, and you want to have an affiliate link with a good business opportunity offer that you can send out to this traffic. Okay, now this traffic is business opportunity leads, guys. So these people care about making money online. Okay, now you can try to send out different niches, but the main niche that works the best is going to be make money online or business opportunity niche. Okay. So I would recommend sending that out before anything else. All right. So I have about 8 different accounts. Okay. I send those out every single day. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails, guys. I like sending out my emails at night. You can send your emails out, in the morning or afternoon, however you want to do it. But what works best for me is at night. Okay. So, there's going to be two ways that you're going to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, number one is promoting the My Legion Secret system itself. You can literally come in here and go to the mailing system and create an email about the My Legion Secret system, and then use your affiliate link to put in the email, and then click send. Boom! It's super easy to do. All right. Now, also, My Legion Secrets does have pre-written emails that you can use. So you just go to the affiliates, click on the promo tools tab, come down here. There's going to be some free email swipes that you can use, and these emails convert really good. I've used these before. Okay, so you can literally take one of these emails, go here, import affiliate email. It's going to take you to the mailing system. You're going to be able to load up your emails here by clicking on select all the emails. It's going to take you down here. And as you can see, it's already pre-populated as subject line and then also the body of text. Okay. So you don't have to do anything. All you got to do is come down, make sure everything looks good, make sure your affiliate link is in this email. Click on this check box, make sure there's a check in this box right here for perfect timing. And then you want to come down here. There's going to be a button that says send now. So you just want to click on send now. Boom. You just sent out an email in the My Legion Secret, and it's promoting My Legion Secret, and you will be able to get results, get subscribers and sales, just promoting the offer itself, guys. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. The other way is using an affiliate network, like I was stating before. You could use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. There's tons of different networks that you can use, and all you have to do is grab their business opportunity offers, okay, and then you can send them over to this traffic here, okay. So those are going to be the two popular ways to make money. Um, there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Okay. Number one is create an email yourself. If you're good at just creating stuff and creating good content, good ad copy, create your own email. Use the affiliate link for the offer that you're promoting, insert that into the email, click on send that email out. The second way is going to be using an email AI service or some kind of chat GPT for your email to create you a custom email from scratch. That way you can insert your link there as well. That email can go out. The third is going to be using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. Now, these offers on ClickBank, these business opportunities offers, they do already have pre-written emails that come with the offer. So all you got to do is go to the affiliate page of the offer, and then go to the email section for the email swipes. There's going to be free email swipes. You can just literally grab the subject line and grab the body of text, come over here and paste it into the system. Insert your affiliate link, make it a clickable link, and then click send, guys. It's just super easy to do. If you really don't understand how to do that, go back and watch my previous videos in the beginning. I go in great detail on how to go grab an offer from ClickBank, go grab the email swipes, and then paste them over right in front of your eyes. Okay. So go back and watch those previous videos if you need to know how to do that. All right. So that's pretty much how you're going to do it, guys. And their email is going to look just like if you're promoting the My Legion secret system. There's just you're sending another email and you're putting another affiliate link in it. Okay. So let me just show you one of the emails that it will kind of look like if you were to promote one of the offers on ClickBank. It's going to look something like this. You're going to have your subject line right here. And then also you're going to have your body of text right here telling you about the opportunity, about the job. And then there's going to be a clickable link that you're going to make, just make it clickable. There's going to be a sentence that you're going to make clickable. And this is where you would make it clickable at. There's going to be a call to action at the bottom of every email that you send in the ClickBank system. Okay. So once our prospect clicks on here, ready to make a difference, click here. They click on that. It takes them to our affiliate landing page on whatever offer that we're promoting. And then our offer does all the selling and telling for us. Okay. Our job as affiliate marketers, all we have to do is get our prospect to that link. That's all we have to do, guys. Okay. And then the affiliate link, the landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. All we have to do is get them there, guys. Okay. So that's very important that you follow those directions and you be able to send those emails out every single day. Okay. Now, just real quick, guys, this is not like some kind of lottery ticket offer. You're not going to just be, making thousands of dollars overnight. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. This is not the casino or anything like that. Okay. You simply send out an email and then you wait, okay, until those people look at your email, decide if they want to subscribe to whatever you're doing, and then also purchase from you. Okay. Now the cool thing about these ClickBank offers, once the prospect signs up and they enter in their email, the offer already has a built-in follow-up sequence. Okay. So that follow-up sequence is going to do all the emails for you. Okay. So all we have to do is get them to our affiliate link. Okay. That's pretty much it. We don't have to build any type of landing page for this offer, guys. There's nothing complicated. Now you can. I've tested landing pages. I've tested the affiliate link for the My Legion Secret and ClickBank. Both of them work. Okay. Now the thing is that the landing page, you're going to get, better conversions. Okay. But you will not get as much traffic as promoting your regular affiliate link. Okay. Just direct linking to your offer, because your direct linking offer already has a funnel set up. Okay. So you don't need to create a double funnel where you're, collecting emails and then your customer has to sign up again and put in their email address again. It doesn't make sense. Okay. So I would recommend just direct linking to your affiliate link. Okay. And then your affiliate link, using your affiliate links landing page. Okay. Now you can do something different, but in my opinion, in my, research and my trial and error of building landing pages for My Legion Secret. For ClickBank, I would recommend just direct linking to ClickBank offers. Now, if there's some kind of other offer that's going to some kind of sales page, I recommend building a landing page before you send traffic to it. But with ClickBank offers, you just have to use the affiliate link because it's already a landing page. Our prospect is going to have to enter in their email. Okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there for you for a little, some of you guys that are a little bit more advanced at this. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. That's how you make money with the mileage and secret system. I've sent out my emails last night. Just so you know, I send out my emails at night every night. Okay. And I'd like to come back and check the results the next day at the same time. Okay. So today is October the 12th. I did send out some emails. These are the results from the last 30 days. I like showing the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm. As you can see, it is October 12th. It's October 12th down here, and then it's October 12th right here. We did make money today. Okay. But this is the last 30 days. This is what it looks like. Okay. It's been a pretty good algorithm so far. Okay. We went a couple days without a sale. We got a sale back to back for 4 days. We missed 3 days right here. We came back and got a sale, missed a day. We got another four sales. Okay. We missed a day and got another four sales. Okay. Which is really good. Okay. So this is telling me that we're getting closer and closer and closer to getting into another algorithm with this traffic. Okay. So we missed 2 days, got a sale back to back. We missed a day and got a sale back to back and got a sale today and got a sale yesterday. Okay. So I just wanted to show you these results. This is kind of what it looks like for you. Excuse me, if you were to get started. We are still in month 5, I believe. We're heading into month 6, but we're almost halfway through this series, and this is kind of where we're at now. Okay, in the beginning, you will see a sale over here, one way over here. Okay, like next week or something like that, and then you may not get one for 4 or 5 days after that. Okay, but the longer and longer we've promoted this offer and we did it every single day, we started to get closer and closer, and we're getting back to back sales. Okay, which is really good. So I just want to show you guys what's possible for you if you guys were to get started. Okay, all you gotta do is come in and send out emails every single day. If you can copy and paste, you can do this, guys. If you're someone out there that's looking for extra income, you're not going to get rich right off the bat. You're not going to make a whole lot of money right off the bat, but I can tell you, you will make extra money if you do this correctly. Okay, there's some people that are earning $500 a month, $1,000 a month. $1,500 a month, $2,000 a month, okay, $1,800 a month, $2,000 a month, okay. Some people are making even $5,000 a month, okay. It's possible, guys, but you have to be committed and you have to be motivated to come in, even if you know you're not going to make that money right off the bat. You got to come in with the idea of knowing that this is something that you can build on, okay. This is not something that, you're going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars right off the bat. This is a sustainable business. You're going to be able to build on this and keep it for years and years. And as long as Mileage and Secret is around, you're going to be able to keep this business going. Okay. I've been doing this over 3 years. Okay. And I've been earning consistent income for this whole time. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what's possible for you, because it's possible for me and I've done it and I'm doing it now. Okay, right in front of your face. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you are someone out there that needs extra income, this is going to be the method that I'm, working to explain to you and how easy it is. Okay, so I did leave a link below this video. Okay, so if you come down here, let's see here. Click on this MLGS True Freedom link. Click on that. It's going to take you to the landing page. It's going to show you how you can get started here. If you scroll down here, you're going to see tons of testimonial videos. Okay. These are people who have made money with the program. Okay. So I'm not the only one earning money. There's other people making money with this thing. All right. So I just wanted to show you that these are real results from real people. My results are real. It's no screenshots or anything, but these are real results from people that are making money with the system. Okay. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Go ahead and click here where it says join MLGS now. Click on that link, guys. Pay your $60 to get started. And then there's just a one-time fee of $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. I don't even need to go into it. Okay. Go ahead and get started today. Once you get started, send me a message. Let me know that you did get started. That way I can send you some emails. And and you can hit the ground running. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys that. And I'm going to end this video. Hope you guys had a good weekend. We're heading into next week. I'm excited about that. There's a lot of big things going on next week. So I'm going to end this video, guys. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.